Floor pads must be maintained consistently for them to remain effective. Some pads must be changed more frequently, depending on their purpose. Other pads may be usable across multiple occasions or jobs, but require a cleaning routine that removes debris and residue that have accumulated on the pad. Both cleaning and polishing routines benefit from using pads that are well maintained. Take care to follow pad manufacturers' instructions for maintenance and use. Natural fiber pads used at or above 1000 RPMs for floor burnishing should be cleaned with the die-cut centerpiece from the pad itself, or a medium bristle brush should be used to clean debris from the pad. Nylon or polyester pads used at lower speeds for floor scrubbing or stripping should be soaked in warm water to loosen any matter lodged in the pad and rinsed clean. All pads must be thoroughly dried in a well-ventilated, open space.